As a filmmaker, music has always been a key element in my creative process. I usually pay a lot of attention to picking the right music and carefully placing it in my films, since you can totally change the mood of a video just by your choice of music. But in my experience, it can be hard, especially for young filmmakers, to find high quality music that is different and unique but still affordable to license for your work. Even though there are many services with great music out there, they are either quite expensive, especially for people working on a smaller budget, or you can just license music for one project or a certain purpose like a YouTube channel. That is why I was really excited when I found out about Artlist, a subscription-based music licensing service with the philosophy of quality over quantity and an eye for highly talented independent artists. For an annual fee of $199, you get unlimited access to the Artlist music library, and you can use all their music in any kind of project. You are not limited in any way to, let's say, maybe a YouTube channel or to use one song just one time. You can use any music from Artlist as often as you want for commercials, vlogs, travel videos, or even a feature film. The Artlist library offers you a variety of different music with a lot of unique artists and styles ranging from ambient and dreamy pop songs to electronic and hip-hop music. Every album is handpicked and you can be sure that you will find some beautiful music for every project, and you probably will add some of the songs to your iTunes playlist as well. After using Artlist's music on pretty much all of my commercial work over the last year, I was pretty humbled when they reached out to me and asked me whether I want to make a video about them. So in this video I want to show you guys how I set the mood in my videos just with different music. Because a few weeks ago I met with my dad to just get some shots of him and his beautiful blue oldtimer. There was no real direction for the video, so everything about the mood was pretty much decided in the editing process. So after going through all the footage I got, I headed over to Artlist and looked for some exciting new music I could try out for this video. Finding new music on Artlist is really easy because of their great and recently redesigned search system. You can filter different moods, styles, video types and even instruments. There also is an amazing spotlight page which highlights some of the most interesting additions, which are definitely worth checking out. And they also just recently introduced collections, making it easier for you to find a bunch of music in a certain style or mood or for a certain purpose. If you found some music you like, you just put it in your cart and check out to download the songs. So I decided to try out a few different songs and just put them into my timeline to see how they would work with the rough editing draft. So let's strip away all the coloring and just watch the raw footage with the music. Here's the first song, which is pretty dark and dramatic. Works okay, but I felt like it's kind of too much and doesn't really fit the shots. So I tried out something more uplifting. But again, this seemed a bit over the top to me and a bit unnatural. Since this video is just about my dad and not something super intense, I just wanted a song that had the same laid-back vibe as the shots themselves. And the third song did fit perfectly right away.
Put it on just like an evening dress, parade to the right, sway to the left. In the morning everything is spent.
It had all I was looking for, a nice vocal line, an emotional build-up I could cut together, and it just worked perfectly with the footage and created a nice little story in the viewer's head without being too much. And this is actually the key point for me to use Artlist instead of other music libraries. That they have such a variety of music, whereas I feel like other services stick too much to just one genre and therefore are pretty limiting if you want to use them for different kinds of work. And remember that you can get all of this for just $199 per year. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and thanks again to Artlist for sponsoring this video. If you haven't already, make sure to check out Artlist for your filmmaking work. Just follow the link in the description and you get 2 extra months for free on top of your first annual subscription. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more filmmaking related videos like this one, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.